Hello and welcome back to another vlog. Today I have for you another day in the life of a small business owner. We are going to be working in the office today, basically organizing, rearranging things, and bringing in some new inventory that I brought for the restock that is happening December 2nd. So yeah, there's going to be lots of organizing in this video. I also have to finish crocheting an order and then show you guys something that I'm so excited about, and I cannot believe that I finally get to have my hands on this specific product. So today's video is sponsored by Cricut. I have to say, the 13-year-old in me is screaming out of happiness. I have always been a DIY kid. I love like DIYing everything. I've always been such a creative kid, and for the longest I've dreamed of owning a Cricut machine. And you guys, I have so many goodies to show you guys from Cricut, and also I will be showing you guys how I incorporate it in my small business and how you can also use it on your day-to-day life. I also think this would be so perfect for the holidays, either to gift to friends and family that love DIYing projects or to make your own holiday projects around the house. But personally, I am super excited to use it for my small business. So without further ado, let's jump right into quickly organizing this room so that I can find space and show you guys everything that I got from Cricut. Alright, so here is a messy before shot. I have to restock these shelves right here with new yarn that I recently got. I have all of this yarn to organize as well. This is a project that I'm currently finishing. I also have some extra yarn here. Basically, just having to organize all of this. So let's get to it, shall we? Just finished a blanket. I am now going to fully organize this side and basically just get rid of things. Alright, filled up this shelf with some yarn. It's not like nicely organized because I will be making more blankets with this color. I have to pick up this scrap and put it in a bag like that one and try to get everything out of the way. I have so much little like scraps here that I need to vacuum. Alright, office is finally clean. I feel like I can breathe, but onto my favorite part of the vlog, which is the DIY with Cricut. I want to show you guys everything that I got and basically share how I personally want to use it for my small business. I am completely obsessed with all of their products and I can't wait to use it, so let's show you. Alright, so this is everything I got, starting with the Cricut Explorer 3, which is a smart cutting machine. This is what I'm going to be making my new poly mailers with. I also have some smart vinyl here, a roll holder for smart materials such as the smart vinyl, and also the Smart Iron-On. This I am really excited about. It's their Easy Express 2 iron-on success in 60 seconds or less, which is amazing. You can basically iron anything onto fabric or clothing that you want with these Smart Iron-On vinyl. I also got their Smart Sticker cardstock, Easy Press mat, and all of these essential tools to cut, which I'm really excited. Last but not least, some transfer tape for the vinyl. All right, here is the beauty. Let me show you guys how it opens. It's so satisfying. I am obsessed. And you can easily put their vinyl holder right there. And in here we have the easy steps to activate your machine and set it up on Cricut.com/setup. So I'm going to do that really quickly. Fun fact about me, turquoise and this beautiful aqua color is clearly my favorite color. Cricut is a smart cutting machine that can cut hundreds of materials like vinyl and cardstock. You can create your projects using their free software called Design Space that gives you access to hundreds of fonts and images and even allows you to upload your own image, which is what I'm going to be doing for today's project. Once you have your project created in Design Space, you can send it to the machine to cut. So on the canvas, I added my logo, which is just a black one, and I'm going to now cut it. Oh my god, I don't know if you could see it, but I can't believe how quickly it cut the logo. So I'm going to now basically transfer it and see if I can add it to my poly mailer. All right, so with this new launch, I was in the hunt for the perfect customized poly mailers for my packages and orders. These are the ones that I've been using ever since I launched, and technically this is the large, but I needed a lot bigger than this one. So I found this massive one. You could tell how huge this is. So I found this one, but they don't customize your logo on it. And I was like, just perfect, because I'm going to use my Cricut and cut it and basically add it to this plain poly mailer. So let's do that. Remove. Oh my god. I did it! Alright, now we are going to use the transfer tape. Oh my god, you guys. I'm speechless. This is 100 times better than what I was buying elsewhere, and I DIY'd this myself. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Wow. This is sick. Alright, time to clean this up, but I honestly cannot wait to ship my orders with my new poly mailers. This was so fun to make. I still need to make another order, so I'm going to clear this up and get to crocheting. Alright, ended up putting everything away, but you guys, I am just so excited with how everything turned out. I cannot wait to continue to do my poly mailers that way. I feel like it just makes it even more authentic, and as you guys know, I make everything by hand when it comes to my crochet items. So I just love how everything now is DIY thanks to my Cricut. I cannot recommend it enough. This smart cutting machine is so perfect for so many projects. You can even make like vinyl cuttings for your walls, which I'm definitely going to be doing that because I wanted to get like my logo right here of Not the Label so that it can all tie for my little work small business office. So yeah, it's truly amazing. You can make so many different things, and the smart technology allows you to use different like vinyls, which is great like for fabric or for your walls and even for mugs. I have to admit, I'm on the Cricut side of TikTok, which it's so great because you can find so many different ideas. So definitely going to be using it a lot more. I also can't wait to use the Easy Press 2 for your t-shirts, for fabrics, for pillows, and you can just like DIY so many things. This partnership couldn't have come in a more perfect time. It was also so easy to use. I'm going to link everything down below, so make sure to check it out. And now I am going to jump right back onto crocheting more items for the website and the restock. Alright, so I'm going to end today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what should I make with my new Cricut, because I am just super excited about it. Make sure to check out all the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!